Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Quickly in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove warning strike from your YouTube channel. Okay, if you check down on my YouTube channel here, you're going to see I have active community guideline strike. Right now, if this strike continues to happen or continue to stay in my YouTube channel, now this is the first one. If I get the second one and get a test strike, then automatically I can lose this YouTube channel. Now, I have two other active YouTube channels, but notwithstanding, this YouTube channel is very, very important to me. So I wouldn't want to lose this channel. So I'm going to be showing you how you also can remove warning strike from your channel if you've got any. Okay, so we're going to be doing all this together. I'm sorry about this. Let me quickly remove this. So we're going to be doing this basically all together. Okay, so once you need to do is just to click on this warning strike. Now, before you might want to click on this warning strike, some of you don't really know the reason why you actually got strike on your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you check this warning, if you put your mouse on it, it's going to show you the two basic reason why you've got that strike on your channel. It could be copyright strike or it could be community guideline strike. So either of them is the reason why you actually got that strike on your channel. So let's get started. See this warning, put your mouse on it and click on it. Okay, now when you click on that warning, it's going to bring you here. Okay, then you're going to see the details of why you actually got the strike and every other thing you need to know. Okay, so you're just going to go straight to how we can remove this strike. So if you check down here, you can see it talks about take action. Okay, so the basically is this: you're going to be taking a training. Okay, now this training will help you to restore back your channel to the original status that it ought to be without any strike. Okay, so they're going to be asking you a series of questions, about 7 questions or thereabout. Okay, if you get those questions right, then automatically within days the strike will be taken off your channel and you are safe. Okay, so let's get started on how to take this off. So we're going to click on this take action here. Okay, when we take this action here, it will bring us here, say there may be an issue with your content, right? So you can see it's just going to spell out everything to you here, just to show you. You can read about all this. Now I'm not going to be reading about all this again. Okay, I'm not going to be reading about all this. So you're just going to click on begin review here. Okay, when you click about begin review here, then it's going to bring you here. Okay, you can read through this. If I'm going to be reading all this, it's going to take us a whole lot of time. Then we're going to click on next. Okay, now if we click on next, it's going to bring us to this interface. Now this is the interface where we really need to pay more attention to. Okay, you can see take a policy training. Your warning will expire in 90 days. To keep our community safe, your content won't be put back on YouTube. So they're not telling you that if you take this training, they will take out this strike out of your channel. Okay, so let's see how it works. They say complete a short training, 7 questions. Okay, like I rightly told you, 7 questions. They say if you violate this policy again within 90 days, you will get a strike. If you violate a different policy, you will get a warning. Right, so you can see the third point on how it works. They say you can still decide to appeal later. Okay, I will strongly advise you not to appeal any strike. Just go ahead and take the training so that the strike will be taken off your channel. Okay, so you can see you have 2 options here: take the training, or you come down there and you appeal. So me, I personally, I'm going to take the training, which I will also advise you to do. Go ahead and take the training. Okay, so we're going to click on training here. Okay, I'm sorry, let me quickly remove this. Okay, so we'll click on take the training here. It's going to bring us here. Okay, so you can see about the training, 7 questions, 15 minutes. We want you to create and share your content confidently. In this training, you will see scenario related to the policy you violated. You have unlimited attempts to get it right. Okay, so just read through the guideline on how to answer the question. Then we're going to click on next. Okay, so you can see this is the first question. Say a creator upload a video with a title and description that claim it's a full episode of a popular TV drama series. The video includes the entire episode, but there is additional commentary from the creator. Is this video a violation? Okay, the answer is no. So we're going to click on this no. Okay, then we're going to click on check. Right, so you can see correct. Right, so you can see it just told us that we got the answer right. Then we're going to click on the next one. This thing just keeps coming up. Sorry, let me quickly remove it again. So we're just going to click on the next one. So you can see the next question here. It says, Henry upload a video that promises viewer they will see the 2022 World Cup final match, but the video direct them to another website to watch it. So you can see that we've actually gotten the 7 questions right. Okay, let's go to the next now. You can see it says nice work, you have completed the training. Okay, so now what we're going to be expecting is this. We're going to go back to the dashboard to see if the warning will be removed, but I know I want to believe that the warning is not going to be removed automatically, but within days it's going to be removed, provided I've been able to answer the 7 questions. You can see, say, nice work, you have completed the training. We appreciate you taking the time to help us keep YouTube safe. Check out our community guideline anytime you are unsure about posting content. Okay, so you can see what next. Your warning will expire on February 4th, 2024. Okay, so it's going to take some time before the warning will actually expire. If you violate the spam, deceptive practice, and scam policy again before this warning expire, you will get a strike. Okay, so just try as much as possible to keep to the guideline of YouTube policies so that you don't get another strike again. Now, for me personally, you can see the warning is going to be taken off on February 12th, 2024. Okay, so it says here I should close the training. If I close the training here, let's see, you can see it says training completed on November 6th. Your warning will expire on. So this is just the full details of how this thing is going to be working here. Okay, so I'm just going to come here and refresh my channel again. Okay, so you can see the warning is still there. So by February 4th, I expect this warning to be off. So that's how simple and easy it is for you to actually remove YouTube strike from your YouTube channel. Okay, I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value from this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye for now.